Hey guys, this is Derek Yaswal, and I'm the head of SEO strategy with Golden Web. We are the top Shopify SEO agency in the world. We've worked with a lot of the largest brands on Shopify. So I'm really excited to get in here and teach you guys all the secrets, the tips, and tricks of how we're getting such outstanding results for Shopify brands in Google search. So a little bit about what we've been able to accomplish with the brands we've worked with. We've audited and fixed over 200 different Shopify stores in the last several years. We've actively ranked for upwards of 10,000 top three position searches on page one of Google. So in the past couple of years, we've generated nearly an additional $30 million in revenue for our clients directly through Google, right? Directly through optimizing for search. So a few of the clients that we've worked with here, a lot of large brands on Shopify: Skims, Fashion Nova, Snow Teeth Whitening, Shop Solar, Mudwater, O'Reilly, lots of big stores. And over the past 5 years, we've worked with hundreds of different startups and growing businesses on Shopify. So we've really been able to develop a unique insight into what is getting results specifically on Shopify SEO. And I'm excited to share all of that with you here inside the community. So yeah, reach out to me, engage with me. I'm excited to be here. I'll be teaching you regularly, and I'm here to offer you any support and help I can give you to help you grow your brand on Shopify. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Thanks.